Now students, we will solve third question of exercise 8.2. Third question is estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. It means in this question you have to find the percent of this colored part. So this is the solution of third question. This is the figure. In this figure, 1/4 part is colored. So 1/4 part of the figure is colored. Now you have to find the percentage of this 1/4 part. To find out the percentage of this 1/4 part, as I told you, we have to multiply that fraction by 100. So 1 upon 4, that is equal to, this is in the fraction form. So 1 upon 4 is multiplied by 100 bracket percentage. 1 into 100, that is equal to 100 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 425 times is equal to 100. So our answer is 25%. So we can say that in this figure, 25% is colored. This is the second part. In this second part, this is the figure given in the question. In this figure, total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And out of these 5 parts, 3 parts are colored. So you have to find out that how much part of this figure is colored. So 3 upon 5 part of the figure is colored and you have to convert this into percentage. Therefore, 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100. To convert fraction into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. Bracket percentage. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 20 times is equal to 100. That is equal to 3 into 20. 3 into 20, that is equal to 60. 60%. So we can say that 60% of the figure is colored. In this figure, 60% is colored. Students, this third part, you have to do it yourself as a homework. In this figure, how many parts are colored? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored and total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 3 upon 8 parts are there in this figure and you have to convert this fraction into percentage by multiplying it by 100. Now I have given you the hint. Now you can solve this third part of question number 3. A part is 15% of 250. Of means multiplied. This I told you in my previous chapter. Of means multiply. That is 15 upon 100 into 250. Let's calculate. So this is the solution of A part of question number 4 and that is 15% of 250. Of means multiply. This I told you in my earlier lessons. Of means multiply. So 15% means 15 upon 100. Of means multiply 250. 0, 0 cancel. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. This is 3 into 25 upon 2. 3 into 25, that is equal to 75 upon 2. When I will divide this 70 by 5 by 2, I will get 37.5 and this is the answer of A part. This is B part, 1% of 1 hour. In this question, first what you have to do is you have to convert this 1 hour into minutes. To convert the hour into minutes, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in place of 1 hour, we will write 60 minutes. So 1 upon 100 because percentage means divided by 100. Of means into. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 will come over here. So 1 upon 100 into 60. Again 0, 0 cancel. Again 6 upon 10. 2 threes are 6 and 2 fives are 10. Our answer is 3 upon 5 minutes because it is in minute form. Unit is minutes. Again, we will convert this minutes into seconds. To convert minutes into seconds, you know that you have to multiply it by 60 because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 3 upon 5 multiplied by 60. 5 ones are 5, 5 12 times is equal to 60 seconds. So our answer is 36 seconds. C part of question number 4 that you have to solve it yourself, students. I will explain you how to solve D part. So D part is 75% of 1 kg. Again, same. First, I have to convert this 1 kg into gram. To convert this 1 kg into gram, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So in place of kg, I will write 1000 gram. So 75% of 1000 gram. 75% means 75 upon 100. Of means multiply and 1000 gram will come over here. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Our answer is 75 into 10. 75 into 10 that is equal to 750 gram. So this is the answer of D part of question number 4. C part that you have to do it yourself. C part of question number 4 that you have to do yourself. Now let's solve question number 5 and that is find the whole quantity if. What you have to do is you have to find out the whole quantity. A part is 5% of it is 600. If 5% of that whole quantity is 600, then what will be the whole quantity that you have to find? So this is the solution of A part of question number 5. That is 5% of it is 600. It means you have to find out the whole quantity in which 5% of it is 600. So let's suppose the whole quantity that is equal to x. Then 5% of x is equal to 600 because it is given here that 5% of whole quantity is 600. So 5% of x is equal to 600. In place of I will write multiply. So 5 upon 100 into x is equal to 600. 5 into x that is equal to 5x upon 100 that is equal to 600 upon 1. I can put the denominator 1 over here. It makes no change. So 5x is equal to 600 into 100. Cross multiply. 5x into 1 that is equal to 5x. 600 into 100 that is 600 into 100. That comes to be 60,000. 5x is equal to 60,000. Now we have to find out the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 60,000 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 1 12,000 is equal to 60,000. So the value of x is equal to 12,000. Thus we can say that thus the whole quantity is 12,000 out of which 5% is 600. Now let's solve B part of question number 5 and that is 12% of it is rupees 1080. You have to find out the whole quantity. Let the whole quantity is x. I have supposed that whole quantity is x. Then 12% of x is equal to 1080. Again in place of I will write multiply. The 12 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 1080. In this way also I can find out the value of x. X is equal to 1080. This 1080 into 100 upon 12. Cancellation will go on. 2 6 are 12. 2 540 times is equal to 1080. Again I will cancel this by 2 3s are 6 and 2 270 times is equal to 540. Again, 3 ones are 3 and 390 times is equal to 270. So my answer is x is equal to 90 into 100. See, 90 into 100. 90 into 100. 90 into 100, that comes to be rupees 9,000. Thus, the whole quantity is rupees 9,000. Now students, let's solve C part of question number 5, and that is 40% of it is 500 kilometer. You have to find out the whole quantity, in which 40% of it is 5,000 kilometer. So let the whole quantity is x. I have supposed the whole quantity as x. Then 40% of x is equal to 500. That is already given in the question. So 40%, that is 40 upon 100, in place of multiply, x is equal to 500. Then to find out the value of x, that is equal to 500 into 100 upon 40. 0, 0 cut. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 250 times is equal to 500. So the value of x is equal to 250 into 5. 250 into 5. 250 into 5, that comes to be 1250. Thus, the whole quantity is 1250 kilometer. You have to write kilometer also, students, huh? So thus the whole quantity is 1250 kilometer. Similarly, student, you can find out D part also, that is 70% of it is 14 minutes, that you have to find out, and E part is 8% of it is 40 liters, that also you have to find out. This is your homework. So students, this is the end of today's video. Tomorrow we will solve the remaining questions of exercise 8.2. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.